Are you thinking about investing in real estate, but you're not sure where to start? Let me help you skip the rookie mistakes and win faster. Hey y'all, it's your favorite realtor, Shanda McRae. I'm back for day 64 of my 100-day challenge. I'm a little late with this video. I had an eventful day from team meeting to a final walkthrough to a top producer fellowship event this evening. But today I want to share with you three quick smart investor tips that I've seen work time and time again, right? So, number one, know your numbers. Know them before you buy anything. Run the numbers, and I mean all of them. That's purchase price, renovation costs, holding costs, expected rent, and know your exit strategy. And know cash flow is king. Don't let emotions overtake the math. Number two, location matters, but so does demand. A good investor does not chase cheap. You want to buy in areas where people want to live or rent. So look at the schools, job growth, and access to transportation matter. Look at the trends, not just the price. And number three, build your power team. Don't go at it alone. Have a trusted realtor and a lender who understands investment financing, y'all, and a reliable contractor. Also, a solid property manager if you're not hands on. Your team will make or break your investment journey. So, if you're thinking about buying your first rental, flipping a home, or adding to your investment portfolio, I love to chat with you. So, click the link in my bio or shoot me a DM. Let's run the numbers, let's talk strategy, and get you in position to build wealth through real estate. Remember, excellence is my standard, always rooted in integrity and deliver with urgency. So, y'all smile and be a blessing, and I'll see you tomorrow, day 65.